Here we have the 2019 Nissan Sentra SV. Got 55,000 kilometers on this guy. Another very well cared for one owner vehicle. All right, let's take a peek inside here. Beautiful fresh detail in there. We'll hop in front. We got our heated seats there. Cruise control, volume controls and all that stuff on the wheel. Our touchscreen display where we have our Bluetooth capabilities, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that. Our backup camera as well. Air conditioning and heat controls. Our heated seats. Got our auxiliary and USB in there.